Hi y'all. Are you having a get together and want to cook something that most everyone will go crazy over? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to cook some of the best buffalo wings that put B-dubs to shame. Alright y'all, our first thing we want to do is we want to thaw our chicken wings, especially if they come in frozen, and most of the time we're going to have frozen wings. You can pick up fresh, but we want to thaw them. We want to thaw them in the refrigerator, and generally it's going to take 2 to 3 days. Hi y'all, Don back here again with Southern Backyard Cooking. If you are enjoying my video, please make sure you subscribe, ring that bell. That'll get you notifications of all new videos that I make as soon as they come out. Okay, our second step, take our thawed wings, rinse them off. I've already done that here, but rinse them off, pat them dry, put them on a drying rack in another pan, and let them sit in the refrigerator for an hour to 2 hours. It can even go overnight. This dries it up somewhat so it gets ready to fry them. All right, y'all. Ready to fry them. So first thing I got to do is I got to heat my fryer up. I got to get the flame going, got to heat it up. I want it to get to about 350 degrees. Back out here, my fryer is almost up to 350. So what I've gone ahead and put in my baskets, I put all the end parts and all the flat parts. I separated them because the flat parts are not nearly as thick as these. So I'm going to cook them about 9 minutes and these about 10 minutes. When they get done, or I think they're done, I will check internal temperature, and I want that to be 165. So let's see, I'm hitting right around 325. My fryer, it'll keep going up in temperature. So what I'm going to do at 325 is I'm going to go ahead and drop first part in, and to make sure I'm starting my countdown timer. And one of the things I want to do on these, because they are touching, is after they're in there about 30 seconds, I want to pick them up and shake them to separate them all and make sure they're all loose. All right, y'all, my timer just went off, so I'm going to pull both of them up to where they start draining. I'm going to check the internal temperature with my Amso instant read thermometer and see what I get. Remember, I want to hit 165, minimum 165. I'm hitting 170. 170. Yep, I'm hitting 170, 175. This was about, right, again, 9 minutes on the flats and about 10 minutes on the other ones. Now, if you want to cook these in the side and you don't have a fry vat, that's okay. Just make sure you have enough oil in there to cover them. It makes it very easy. Shaking all the grease off. I got 2 bowls. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do some spicy barbecue sauce and some of Frank's red hot wing sauce. I like this for buffalo sauce. It's really good. It's rather inexpensive, and it's already done. I don't have to make it myself. And I got a big one in case my little one runs out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about half in each of the bowls. And you can see, and they're nice and crunchy and crispy. So I'm going to do the barbecue sauce on these here. And I've got about 4 ounces in here. I really don't need more than about 2. So I'm only going to pour about half that in there. And basically just shake it up. Wall them around, get them coated real good. If they don't look like they have enough, just add a little bit more. And you basically just roll them around in it. That coats it very, very well. buffalo wings. I'm going to use Frank's. I'm just pouring, and again, 2 to 3 ounces is all it really takes. Shake it around, flip them over, make sure they get covered on all sides. And then I have my plate to put them in, to serve. Now the next thing we're going to do, of course, is we have to taste them. They are going to be still quite hot, so I'm going to be very careful. Taste one of these. I got one of the spicy barbecues. Man. The meat is still tender, juicy, but it's completely done. It has that great barbecue flavor to it. Those are really good. Y'all, wanted to make sure I covered the most important step when doing any kind of chicken wings or any kind of things in the fryer. The most important step is to make sure you watch my video on how to clean your oil from your fryer. That way it's going to save you a lot less money. I know a year and a half ago, October, November, not of 21, but of 20, I could buy a 4.5 gallon tub of fryer oil for about $18, $19. It's been $40 for over a year, which to me is ridiculous. Somebody's making a killing. But anyway, if we take care of our oil, we can use it more and more and more and have it last a long time for us without it giving us off flavors and bad taste. So please make sure you watch that video. Until next time, guys.